It's cold today. Here we got my 1985 F250 6.9 diesel. It's been sitting for a few days. Haven't drove it really in 2 weeks. Ever since I did my last cold start. Well, it's -15 today, -15 Celsius. I'll put it up what it is in Fahrenheit. But we're going to do a cold start on this today. I hope you guys enjoy. Hopefully it doesn't bite me too much. Slippery.
A few moments later.
Alright. I know what you guys are thinking. Why am I still here and why isn't the truck running? Well, I was inside doing a cold start video on the F250 and I had this one running because I was going to do a road test video with this truck and we were going to try out a new speed racer app that I have on my phone. It would give you 0 to 60 times, quarter mile, eighth mile, and your 60 foot. We were going to go see what the 6.9 diesel could do. But when I came out, it was pitter-pattering quite awful. Kind of skip in there. And anyway, as soon as I got to it, the truck died. So, I'm guessing it's gelled again. I say that, you think I would have learned from the last mistake? We've had a couple quite mild weeks here for a little bit. So, and I'm talking +5, +6 there, fellers. So the old truck wasn't really gelling at that point. We jumped back in a cold snap these last few days, -15, -17 Celsius. Pretty sure it gelled up on me again. So we're going to try to start it up. I'm going to show you guys basically the process again. We're going to try it a little bit differently this time. Hopefully get it going and still get on the road. Here we go.
Now, what I'm kind of talking about here for doing things differently is you guys really wanted to see what's going on the inside of the truck when I do these cold start videos. So I'm going to show you kind of step by step there. We broke out the action cam. I usually don't use it, but we broke it out and we're going to try to go at it. So we got our key here. We're going to turn that on this truck. This truck's a little bit interesting. It's too cold to really want to work on. Let's turn off the old copyright music there before they come and get me. Got the fuel pump on. Truck's in neutral. And we're going to try to get it going there. As you can see, absolutely nothing. So, let's break open the old hood there. See, I've changed tactics there. We got my phone as a light right now. Got the action cam on my head. We'll see if it works out. So far, so good. Alrighty. Oops, that's right. Alright, so we got the fuel pump just humming away, and basically we're not getting any fuel up into our fuel filter. My lines are frozen on this go, so we basically have to add the diesel 911 to the tank, and after that, hopefully it should be okay. So we're going to get at that. So we're basically going to have to add the 911 to the tank first, and we're going to go about it that way. Okay, so we're going about this a little bit different than usual, but yeah. So the first thing that we're going to do is we got some diesel 911 and we got some diesel octane boost and antigel. You guys already know this stuff, so I don't really have to tell you guys what to do on this, but I will anyway. We're going to pour a whole thing of diesel 911 in the tank because we figured out that it's just the tank that's gelled up in the lines, not the filter this time. And then we're going to add a little bit of this. So let's get going. Let's get cracking. Now, let's pour this entire thing in. There we go. Look at that. disregard our supplement. Add that to the tank. Try not to spill any. It's expensive. Let's go put this back in the barn, and then we're going to come back and work on this a little bit. I had to break up all the ice that was by the door. I could barely get this door open here, but as you can see, I thought it was supposed to melt, and obviously now I just have a whole bunch of ice chunks everywhere. Might have to deal with that before the end of the night. Just put that back where it belongs. And there we go. So there we go. We got the diesel 911 in the system. So my fuel pump's on, my key's already on, it's already in neutral. I'm just going to touch my wires together, set her up, and it should go. See if I can get it to stay. There we go. Oh, that sounds mad. Yeah, she's not happy. But anyway, we're gonna let this idle around. That way it can circulate all the fluid. In about 20 minutes of it idling, we're gonna go get some diesel and we're gonna go for a drive. So I'll see you guys then. Alrighty, so we're gonna head off to the gas station or the diesel station. Get some well-needed diesel in this truck. Get it ready for tomorrow. We start back at work tomorrow there. So here we go. Got the girlfriend joining us. So yeah, here we go. Ooh, that's cold. Ooh, frozen to the ground. That's good. Alright, off to go get some diesel. Oh, don't mind the belt. I swear it's not mice. The squeak. It's a belt. There might be mice caught in the belt, but who knows. To the diesel station. So, the last time we were at this petrol station, there was no diesel, no gasoline. Let's see if there's any this time. Well, I got no signs saying otherwise, so we're gonna assume, but you know, assume makes an ass out of you and me, so who knows. Diesel's $1.71 down here, and that's per liter, fellers, not per gallon. So let's just watch and see how many liters it takes. So $40 for 23 liters. Rough go. Thanks, Trudeau. Now off we go. Now, I apologize if you can't hear much because, you know, we're kind of like a refrigerator tumbling down a hill. That's kind of the sounds that it's kind of making there, a big old steel box. So we'll see, but you know where we gotta go. It's just a given. We gotta go right there, fellers. Are you guys even a Canadian if you don't go through the Tim Hortons drive-thru? Let me know. There we are. Look at that. You think they're open? Hi, would I be able to have a medium iced coffee there, please?
Sure, no.
Do you guys have any Timbits left?
Yes,
What kind of Timbits do you have?
we have all kinds, birthday cake, chocolate, honey dip, and old-fashioned plain.
Would I be able to get a 20-pack of honey dip and chocolate, please?
Alright, I don't have the honey dip, sorry.
Okay, so do you have the...
Just chocolate and birthday cake and old-fashioned.
Well, give me as many chocolates that you have, and then the rest birthday cake.
Okay, anything else?
No, nope, that's it.
Problem.
Thanks, I appreciate. Do the old hot wire start. Oh, that's the wrong one. I got two wires on this. There we go. That's the right one. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good night, eh? There. Off to the races. Quite literally. So, we're going to go try out this app called, now, the mission for tonight there, fellers, wasn't really to get the truck anti-gelled. Well, it was. I need the truck. But the real mission was to try out this app called Drag Racer. Basically, the app gives you your quarter mile, your eighth mile, and your 60-foot times. You just got to find a nice flat stretch of road there. So that's where we're going. We got our Tim Hortons, we got our lights on, we got the truck all ungelled. Not a better night to do it. So here we got the app Drag Racer. I don't know if you guys can see that. I hope you can. Basically, it uses GPS, your LTE, and a whole bunch of stuff to kind of give you your best miles per hour, etc., etc. So we're going to turn on high accuracy. Should be ready to go. We're going to turn that to miles. And there we go. Okay, so we're doing 0 kilometers. And all what you got to do now, line up on your road. Oh, I already fucked it up. We're gonna have to find a new spot there. And no signal around here. Alrighty. So we got a nice straightaway here. No cars coming, no danger to anyone. We got her in neutral. We got good bars. Vehicle stopped. There we go, ready to race. And then you just give her shit. So here we go. I'll put it up at the end what we do. I think that's all she's got on this road. It's a little bit too bumpy. That's funny. So, we're gonna head back home. If there's nothing too crazy that goes on, we'll see you guys back at the barn and we'll go over what we kind of got here. That's why I wanted the other road. It was way less bouncy. This one's straight, but it's all hooped. And this truck definitely does not have the suspension for it. So for your guys' information, this is the same road I took my F250 down when I did my first test with this action cam in the summer. As you can see, you can definitely pick a better road that's not as bumpy. You'd have much better quality. And I think that's what we're gonna end up having to do, as these roads are just really, really bad. Welcome to New Brunswick. There we go. Back at the compound. There. Not too shabby. So, all said and done, top speed was 54 miles an hour.